What comes to your mind when you hear Tallinn? Snowy roofs of the old town? Or maybe fortress walls? For me, it's a maritime capital with a rich history. If you want to know about maritime history, the ship is your museum, and our first one is a border patrol vessel, Valvas. This floating museum was originally built in US and called Bittersweet. The ship spent more of its life in Alaska than in Estonia. Our next exhibit is not just a regular ship, it's an icebreaker. This massive ship was breaking the ice of the Baltic Sea more than 100 years ago. Thanks to the Maritime Museum, it's open to the public. It's impressive that so many years ago it was possible to build such a machine. It would be nice to stay in these cozy cabins longer, but the land awaits us for yet another impressive museum. This building was a home for seaplanes in the past. Now it's a museum that never bores you. We can't get enough of all these interactive experiences. But the most interesting thing here is a submarine. I couldn't have thought that this harmless submarine took down 7 German ships during the war. Did you know that Estonia was a maritime land already 700 years ago? That's when an unfortunate trade ship was wrecked and now transferred to the museum. The old town of Tallinn is a famous spot for winter holidays. But it's not the only attraction. Dive a bit deeper into the history of the place, and it will unveil you something purely unique.